Today I'm going to show you how I would create a bundle as per the requirements of the Family Court, including how to create the bookmarks, how to hyperlink the items of the index, and how to format the pagination. The sources of the information in this tutorial are the Practice Direction 27A. Some of these paragraphs were replaced by some general guidance which was published in November 2021. And this guidance was supplemented in December 2021 by some further requirements. The information is therefore correct as of today, which is the 30th of August 2023. Before we begin the tutorials, I'd just like to show you the finished document here to give you an idea of what we're going to cover in the tutorial. This is a bundle that I've created from random documents from the internet. Here we have the index. Each item in the index is hyperlinked, which just means that if you click on it, it takes you straight to that document. For example, here we've got the chronology on page 13. If you click on it, it will take you to page 13. This index is automatically generated by Foxit, so it's very easy to create. I'll also show you the alternative method of creating the index, which is the manual method. It takes more time, but it's perhaps the more traditional way of generating the index. I'll show you both ways and then you can do whichever one you're more comfortable with. There's also on the left hand side here you've got two planes, two display windows, the most commonly used ones. The top one is the bookmarks. Basically this is just your index, which is again clickable, and it's always on the left hand side, so anybody can just click through your documents like this. And finally, as per the most recent requirements regarding the pagination, page 1 is page 1, and then the numbers increase incrementally until the end of the document, so the numbers do not restart in each section anymore. Page 54 is page 54.